Yeah, this is the former site of the 2-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home. A tree fell through the roof, so we had to take it off the property. This is the entrance to the 3.97 acre, approximately, of this property. Got about 150 feet across the front. This is where you would get power from the pole. We want to run it about 100 feet to where the former site of the manufactured home was. There's a series of apple trees right along the edge of the property. You can see where the fence line is there. These are the apple trees. There's still a few apples left on one of them. And one big evergreen tree in the back. This is the well house area, the blue building. Not beautiful, but it does the job. And there is potable water there. This is something you'd have to verify, have an inspection done. We have an approximate 60-foot building here with 3 bays. Could be for cars. You'd want to finish off the steel building. Back of the building had a former greenhouse, probably about 100 feet long from front to back. There's a water reservoir up front. You still have the steel structure. You would have to put new panels up, translucent panels. This is the back half of the property. Again, 3.97 acres, goes all the way to the back. The back area, there is a dry creek bed. It only gets water in the heavy rain period of time, and it goes down right about where that blue tarp is.